Wood combustion can be selected as the main or auxiliary source for heating of houses with low energy demand in order to keep the impact on the environment as low as possible. Appliances with very low power are selected for newly constructed houses, and it is also necessary to adapt the chimneys accordingly in order to allow the correct operation of such appliances. HELUZ, which offers high-quality complete chimney units, also makes every effort to achieve this goal. The chimney should ensure the safe and long-term exhaustion of combustion products. HELUZ provides systems made of the high-quality components required for chimney construction and appliance connection, safe and thermally insulated penetration through the roof structure, and various variants of the design of the part above the roof. HELUZ offers 3 types of chimney units in basic heights of 4, 6, and 8 meters, including the option to extend the chimney. HELUZ SMART is a new generation chimney with an isostatic chimney liner. It is intended for appliances with low power, suitable for newly constructed houses. It has compact dimensions and components for quick and easy assembly of the chimney unit. HELUZ IZOSTAT is the most versatile new generation chimney system with an isostatic chimney liner. It is intended for a wide range of appliances and for combustion products with low temperatures. HELUZ KLASIK has an economical chimney design, which corresponds to the quality of older generation of chimneys with a fireclay liner. It is only suitable for appliances for dry operation. High-quality HELUZ chimney complete units are delivered with all the required components on a pallet wrapped in film. It means they are readily available for quick and precise chimney construction. HELUZ offers high-quality new generation chimneys that are subjected to thorough testing. The latest certification means the safe incorporation of HELUZ chimney into your house for a pleasant and safe home.